The setup blocks are back in production. Here's a closer look into how this tool is made. Sheets of aluminum are loaded into a CNC mill to machine the 1/8 inch blocks. The 1, 2, 4 blocks are milled from billets of aluminum. Parts are thoroughly cleaned and hand inspected after the milling cycle is complete. Deburring occurs before the blocks are anodized and laser engraved with the proper measurement. Manufacturing will continue on the setup blocks and shipping will begin soon. So look for your order in the coming weeks and stay tuned for more production updates.